Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these gluten-free lemon and blueberry cupcakes. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your sugar and your lemon zest, and beat the three together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This will take around 5 to 7 minutes, give or take. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. Don't worry if the mixture scrambles a little bit, it's because of the amount of eggs that have gone in. Just take your time adding the eggs, scraping down the bowl just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the mixture. Then you can add in your blueberries, which have been coated in some of the gluten-free flour, and then just start to incorporate it by folding it in, being careful not to over mix the mixture as this will make the cupcakes tough in texture. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a cupcake tin, and you'll want to fill the cupcake tin with some of the liners. I'm just using plain white ones, but feel free to use decorative ones if you want to. I then start to scoop the cake batter into the cases, and I fill them around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full. That's just what I find best, but work with what you've got. Then you can make the buttercream, so into a bowl add your butter and beat it on its own for around 5 to 7 minutes until lighter and fluffy in colour and consistency. You can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in half of your icing sugar. Make sure that it's gluten free, just check on the back, it will tell you. Then you'll want to mix this on a low speed to start with, working you out to a medium high, and then once everything's looking good you can add in the other half of the icing sugar. It's just the repeat process of just mix until it's fully incorporated and the mixture is lighter and fluffier, and you're good to go. So into a small or medium bowl, you'll want to add some buttercream, and into the buttercream you'll want to add some lemon zest. I added around 1 lemon's worth of lemon zest. This works really well as it's not too bitter and you get a strong lemon flavour. You'll just want to work that in by folding it and mixing it, then you're good to go. Place it into a piping bag. Then you can go ahead and grab your cupcakes, which are fully baked and cooled down. Then you can take a cupcake corer and just core the centre out of the cupcake, where you're going to fill it with some homemade gluten-free lemon curd. You can also make this dairy-free. I will leave a recipe for that down below. You can then go ahead and pipe your buttercream on top of the cupcakes. I was going to use a plain tip nozzle and make it look nice, but then I didn't like how they looked, so I scrapped that idea and I flattened the icing using a small crank palette knife and just spread it out. This gives it a bit more of a rustic look, which I quite liked actually. So here are what the cupcakes look like once they're fully baked, cooled and finished. You've got the lemon and blueberry cupcake filled with lemon curd and then topped with lemon buttercream. As you can tell, you've got all of that. The blueberries do sink to the bottom, but that's fine. You still get the blueberry, don't you? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. I will leave a direct link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and there'll be links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me on all of those platforms. I might give you sneak peeks and updates and whatever. But that's all for today. Bye guys.